mechanics. Divide the class into 4 groups. Each group will have one QR code. In this QR code, there are different categories like place, people, things, and animals. Example, if it says think, you could write down ball pen or pencil. Find things, words found in the classroom or school that match each category. 4. Work together as a team to complete the task and be sure to look carefully and think as of many examples as you can.
Scan.
Second category, places. List down the different location of the school. Canteen.
Okay. Number 1, chair, pen, ball pen. Okay na.
So, fourth category, animals. List down the animals found in the school. Example, bird. Dog, then cat, then mouse. Ice. Oh, this.
Wala bagay!